Welcome back to Checkout Guy YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set a minimum order value for your Shopify B2B customers. So think of your store has B2B customers and normal customers. For B2B customers, they should purchase a particular amount, then only you will be profitable. Otherwise, it will not be good for you, right? So, and this is the one you don't need Shopify Plus for this particular thing to be done, right? So, I'm just using the next minimum order quantity app from Shopify App Store. You can also install this app from Shopify App Store, or I also attach the app link of this app in the description of this video. So after installing the app, you'll be on this home screen. Then you can click on the Create Advanced Product Rules and click on the Configure button. You need to create a new cart validation. So we are giving this particular title. It's for your reference. I'm adding a rule. So the first condition is so we are given its total order value. So I am just giving total amount. If it's less than, for example, 3,000, and we are giving one more condition, which is basically customer hashtag. So we're using customer tag and we're giving the B2B tag. Right. Then we are going to show an error message on our checkout page because you need to purchase at least for 3,000. Right. So for B2B customers, they need to purchase at least 3,000. Then only they can proceed the checkout. We are making it active and we are making it saved. Right. So that's what we done. And now we go to our customer section. So think of this is your B2B customer. And we are giving the same B2B tag. And see the changes. We're copying the email ID. And we are coming back to our store and try to check out. I'm just trying to check out. So now error is there. If I give his email ID, then you can see for think of this a B2B customer, then they need to purchase a bit minimum of 3,000. And if I'm giving checkoutguy.com, so this is one of our email ID, you can see the error is not coming because checkout guy is not a B2B customer. The error is coming only for the B2B customers. So this is how you can give a minimum order value for B2B customers alone. So if you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.